Good morning everyone, and we are currently at the Lakeside Motel and Apartments at Te Anau. So this is our first stop in New Zealand, where we have stayed here for the last 2 nights, and we're going to show you a bit of a room tour of our room that we had stayed at. So look at these beautiful views that I've got in the background. So this is actually from our balcony. Look at that view. I basically walk out onto the balcony and this is what I'm seeing. Look at that. You've got the mountains on the right, we've got the water at the front. Look at that view. It's an extended balcony through the whole accommodation. And we've got a single bed right there. We've got a TV up there. And then we've got a little couch that came in handy. There's another single bed that's on the left-hand side. And then if you walk through, we've got the heating system, which actually came in really handy because the first night we got here, it was really cold. And over here, we've got a microwave, we had a kettle. There was some coffee and tea making facilities there up there as well. We had a fridge. We also had some milk in there too. And then it was just a standard little kitchenette. So we had like cutlery, there was more cutlery. And then in here, there was a rubbish bin, toaster, chopping board, and then your standard washing utensils. You have a sink, and then you've also got a stovetop. So that was our basic kitchenette that we had, which was actually pretty cool. And over here, we also had a dining table. So we had 4 chairs and a small table. It was actually really warm. Like the first night we came in, we turned it on for a little bit because it was a little bit cold, but during the night, we weren't cold. It was actually quite comfortable to sleep without the air conditioning, which I felt was fantastic because I was a little bit worried that we were going to be actually quite cold, but it was really, really comfortable to sleep the last 2 nights, so can't complain about that. And as you walk through from the living area, there's like a bit of a hallway, and then you have the shower and the vanity separate to the toilet, which I also found was really good. So if I just walk in through here, spacious shower, and they also provided you with body wash and hair wash. We've got the towel racks, so we had 6 bath towels, and then we also had some hand towels and some face washes as well. If we left our towels in the showers, they would have changed them for us, but we're only here for 2 nights, so we've had enough towels. And then in here, you've got the full mirror, lights, and then there's the vanity in there. So in the vanity, we had the spare towels in here. We've got the hair dryer, and in the bottom one was just, we had all of our stuff that we needed. Now what I also liked about this was, as I said, the vanity and the shower were separate, and then we've got the toilet right next door. It's just a toilet, pretty clean. And then as we're walking through, we've got the last bedroom on the left. So this is where we all slept. So you've got the double bed in there, and you've got the single bed in there. Quite spacious. So there's a wardrobe here as well, which had extra pillows and blankets. We've got the single bed, we had the lights, we've got a mirror there, we've got the double bed, and then we had the block out blind, which was actually quite great. And then there was like a little luggage storage thing right there too. So overall, our stay here, I was actually quite happy with it. Very clean, facilities were fantastic. Downstairs as well, they have washing facilities. So there was 2 washing machines, 2 dryers. If you did want to use them, it was $6 for the dryer and $6 for the washing machine. And they were directly downstairs, right underneath our apartment. But overall, yep, happy with the stay. As we said, we stayed for 2 nights. That was the Lakeside Motel and Apartments at Te Anau. And now we are off to our next adventure. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.